Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, what a cool day, what an amazing day. I'm gonna turn on the volume a little because I can't hear myself. But so today we got a 50-point move, 5-point move. So technically, right? Like I'm just gonna show you off the 30-minute. So we didn't really get that 30-minute candle to enter, right? It's more of like trading within the 1 minute. And basically the only news today was like the home sales, existing home sales month over month is I think 4.7% lower than last month. So that was the bearish news I believe for today. But we really pushed down today. And like even Nvidia couldn't help SPY, right? We saw that jump from Nvidia. And then yeah, like the market's been pumping, mainly like all that is because mostly of Nvidia and other tech stocks and AI, right? AMD, etc. So just leading markets to pump. Um, and that's what I was mentioning from yesterday's video. If you watched yesterday's video, I did say we are in sort of like artificial bull run, right? We were due for a correction. I didn't know it was gonna be next day, right? Uh, but today it was pretty amazing, and I'm gonna go over the trades with you. 30-minute, like you see, we did break white, but we didn't get that 30-minute candle to grab it, nor did any. We just constantly push down within this algo right here, right? I'm not gonna have the color set red, but right. So we just been in this strong selling algo, here, right? This red. Why do I have drawings? I'm gonna do that. So, but yeah, so we've just been in that strong red, and I'm gonna go over intraday. So intraday was pretty. I don't know if you would call this A plus setups, right? But we did get setups, right? So in the morning we had to realize this teal algo, right? Um, Yellow algo, this orange algo, which was used throughout the day. So these were all cool algos, and especially like this purple, which did guide us all the way down to the 5-point move, right? So this is also shows you how to manage that way down, right? So like you know how the market's not just gonna like go down and straight, right? You have to manage your trade. You have to know the context of everything, right? The algos, everything. So I'm gonna show you that as well. So the first trade down, or we could have taken trades up here as well, right? Off of this orange, off of this pink, right? Up to here, right? This teal up here, and then again another one, right? You could have taken it right here, right? I did take these trades, these two trades. I think I was up about like 2,000 something for that. Then this is the trade. We noticed this double top, right, and then we have this liquidity right here. We need to grab this as well. So this was a good entry, right? However, I'm gonna show you this. So to manage the risk, because we obviously have this red algo, right, which is support, right? So we have to manage it in terms of the purple algo pushing us down, right? So if you saw any type of tapering right here, I'm gonna show you an example of what happened, right? So if we saw any type of tapering right here, right, which would give us an indication of a reversal, then we'd have to stop the trade or exit the position. However, we just saw a straight dive down with the purple algo, right? And the purple algo is the one that helps us stay in the trade the whole time, right? For the whole entirety of the 5-point move, right? So we closed the cup, right? Handle, right? I would have liked a deeper handle, right? The market didn't give us that. So I didn't really load positions, right? But it is a 5-figure day nonetheless, right? So if you enter here, right, you can enter here, right? Again, you have to watch this orange, right, and see if we break through the orange or if we taper around the orange, right? So tapering, I'm gonna show you as well later on, right? So that, and I'm gonna show you the tapering right here, and we were guided down by the purple again, right? So the tapering is what I mean right here, right? So when we have a move like this, right, so we close the cup right here, right, we we can't break down out of this pink, right? So the same thing, like you saw right here, that we broke for example, right, we saw that we broke down this orange, right, and we broke down this pink as well here, right. However, look at right here, we tapered. So when we close the cup, right, we tapered around here, and that's a signal to exit out the position, because it can be a possible reversal, and you wait for next structure, next whatever, and yeah. So that's the key to entering and staying in a position, right? And even going down, right, we saw building liquidity right here, right? And the key algo to look for was the pink. So we were trading within the pink, right? And if we were indeed heading to a reversal, right, we would have grabbed the liquidity from here. So unless we broke pink, right, there's no indication of a reversal, right? So, and then the purple appeared again, right? And that's when you could have taken the trade again, right here, right? And then we broke below the orange again here, and then we just kept breaking below in this pink purple algo right here. You see, I'm colorblind again, so like again, like the purple or pink algo was apparent throughout the whole day. It's you could have identified it at 12, right? Then again at 12:40, then again at 1:30, right? And it just like, that's the whole thing that brought us down. And if you manage to so the only way, right, I would exit this trade, right, if I saw we broke the purple, right, and we broke, for example, the pink, right, we broke above pink or we broke above orange, and we did none of that. So there was no indication of a reversal coming. And it is tapering right now. That's why I'm going to call it the early days, because this is a sign of another reversal, right? So we're going to wait for it to break above pink, right, and even close this cup right here. Maybe I wouldn't really enter a trade right here. I would wait for a bigger recovery, close the cup right here, handle, right, because of the yellow algo, right. This is going to be a strong resistance tapering point. So yeah, and we also have this gap that I showed you guys like last week that we were going to close. We technically didn't close the whole thing because again, like I said, in 30-minute, I expected better, like 30-minute candles to grab liquidity. However, we didn't. We pushed really down far. So let's see tomorrow if we do build that necessary liquidity, right, to close that cup. Sorry, the inverse cup. Yep, right here, right, the 523 level, right. So we could have a potential 20 to 30 point move tomorrow. So yeah, look out for that tomorrow. However, if there's no continuation structure tomorrow, I'd call it an early day. So if you don't see that liquidity building right here, right, I would call it a day. But yeah, it's super easy to, or it's not super easy at first, but if you can notice what's going on, right. So for example, we knew we had to close the cup, grab the liquidity, right. So you would always be in this yellow algo as well. We didn't break yellow up, like we saw yellow as a resistance, not support. So there was no indication to exit a trade, as well as pink up here, pink below here, right. And we broke below pink right here, so there was no indication of tapering, etc. right here, right. We kept breaking below and had that purple guide us down even farther down. But yeah, that's the secret to catching that five figure, 5 to 6. This could have, okay, if honestly, I was pretty hesitant to actually load huge contracts, so I only did about 100, right. I mean, it's still a 5 figure, right. For a 5 figure actually, yeah. So I didn't really like right here, right. It's not like I didn't really see it as an A+ setup, right, especially because of this blue. So I didn't load that much. I didn't load here at all. But this is another trade possible, right, because I just wanted to see a liquidity grab from the right shoulder, right, and we didn't see that, because so we had this left shoulder head. I didn't see much of a right shoulder, so I didn't really load here. But yeah, I just followed the purple, which let me down. And you can't scalp, right. If you want to catch this move, right, there's many opportunities to catch it. For example, right here, right, we were when we break below the orange, right, right here is a pretty good entry right here, scalp entry. But yeah, just follow the algos, right? You go trade with the algos, trade with everything. And I do suggest, like, these algos, they exist for the whole trading day, so you can extend them up or down, like the whole trading day, because these are the algos that we'll trade in the whole day. The market already set itself within these algos and we trade within them, right? We either break through, right, like we did right here, or just taper around like we did right here, right? So yeah, all right guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, what a fantastic day, and tomorrow might be a 20 to 30 point day as well, so look out for that. All right guys, have a great day.